The Orbital Laboratory program replicates the experiment being conducted aboard the International Space Station. Students compare 2 different types of seeds in 3 different types of soil. The experiment takes 6 to 8 weeks, and students will be taking daily measurements of their plants. Let's click on the lessons to enter the heart of the program. The lessons in modules 2 and 3 can be used without conducting the experiment. Topics covered include the fundamentals of space travel and human physiology in space. The What's for Lunch lesson is one of our most popular. Here, students will learn about nutrition and plan a balanced menu just as they would if they were an astronaut. We've included a sample menu. Students make their selections and meals are rotated on a 4 to 5 day cycle. The food pyramid is available to use as a guideline when planning their meals. This is the worksheet students will use to plan 1 day's worth of meals during their journey. They will convert their height and weight to the metric system as they determine how many calories they need per day in space. The last 2 pages are calorie counts of some common foods. You'll notice we have a variety of choices. If you are planning on conducting the experiment, you'll need to order a kit. Once you've received the kit, one of the first things you'll want to do is get your light assignment. This tells your students how much light to give their plants each day, and the amount of time is determined at random. Then, you can assign your students to their plants. Simply use the drop-down menus in order to do this. To enter information about their plants, students use the View Enter Data icon. This is a sample of one of the classes that's participating in the experiment. Simply select your plant and then use the boxes to enter the information. You'll want to save your information before exiting this page. Educators have told us they appreciate the fact students can also graph their data. By selecting all week data sets from the drop-down menu and clicking the Graph It icon, students have instant access to their information and a tool they can use for analysis. By clicking the Interactives icon, your students will be connected with some additional engaging activities. These are designed to reinforce the topics covered in the lessons. Let's look at Astroman. This gives your students an idea of some of the changes the body undergoes when traveling in space. Did you know fingernail and hair growth slows while you're out there? Let's look at some of our space madness activities. These are a perfect way for your students to test their knowledge of subjects such as characteristics of soy versus wheat, and what's space fact and what's space fiction. Our Orbital Laboratory is a fun, hands-on complement to your life science curriculum. If you have any questions or would like more information, please contact one of our product specialists at 800-965-3763.